The easy way to make risotto. Ingredients are arborio rice, shallots, oil, mushrooms, butter, garlic, thyme, salt, pepper, white wine, and grated Parmesan. While you're bringing your stock to a boil, what you want to do is add your olive oil, butter, and shallots to a pan and cook them until they're translucent. The reason why you want to bring your stock to a boil is because you want to be adding warm stock to this when the time comes. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and add your garlic, a little salt, pepper, thyme, and give that a good stir. And now it's time for the mushrooms. Wait, that's not enough. I'm gonna have to add some more than that. Time to add the rice. Just pour it in, give it a little stir. You want to brown it, not burn it. Next, you want to add just a little splash of wine, and you want to stir this up until the wine has evaporated. Now that the wine is cooked down, it's time to add your nice warm chicken stock. And you only want to add enough just to cover the rice. You don't want to boil the rice per se. You just want enough to keep it going. You want to keep stirring so your rice gets creamy. And you'll keep stirring for about 15 to 20 minutes. That's how long it will take. Next, you want to grate some Parmesan, or if you don't have a grater, you can just chop it up with a knife. This will do. Add the Parmesan to the risotto and give it a nice stir until it gets nice and creamy. And there you have it, homemade risotto. Better than any Hell's Kitchen chef has ever produced. Donkey. And if you want to really take it up a notch, add some sea scallops. By the way, not too hard to cook. Please take 2 seconds to hit the subscribe button and maybe give me a thumbs up.